Hello guys, welcome to a coding tutorial. In this coding tutorial, I will teach you how to do a 2D moving script like this. So you drop down, you can move with the arrow keys, and you can jump with the up arrow. And then in here, when you go into the editor, right here it's called player control, you can edit how fast the player is going. Here, let's turn that off. I can say I want him to go 10 and I want him to jump 10. And you can just change it, and it's very customizable. See, now I jump really high and I move really fast. And if you want to jump higher, then of course in the rigid body you would put more mass. But right now I'd like to jump height at 4, and the move speed. Actually, no, I like jump height at 5. So yeah, let's get in. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new C# script and call it player control, as you see right here. I'm opening up right now. Here it is. So I'm not gonna rewrite the code. I'm just going to explain it, and I'm gonna have all the code in the description so you can copy and paste it, so you don't have to type it all because it's annoying. So pretty much in a new C# script, it'll say this. It'll say using in the engine, using system.collections, and then public class player control, model behavior, and then void update. But before it's going to say void start, you can just delete that. And so right off the bat, you want to write 2 floats, public floats, called move speed and jump height. That's what you saw over in my player here. No, it's not there. There. How I can change it. So yeah, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up a void called movement, and pretty much what it does is it kind of makes like a box where all your code goes in. So you can use movement and other like statements and other parts of the code. So usually if we didn't have this, we would put all of this big block of code in void update, but then it would clog it up and it'd be annoying. But instead we just have one little nice word that's small and simple, which is good. It's movement from here. So now let's get to the actual movement part. Under void movement, what you're gonna write, what we're gonna see is it says if Input.GetKey, KeyCode.RightArrow, and then transform.Translate Vector2.right MoveSpeed Time times MoveSpeed Time.deltaTime. Pretty much what this does, this is checking for input of a key on a keyboard, and this is KeyCode. It's pretty much saying if the right arrow key is pressed, then this line of code will happen. What happens here is it will move right times how fast it's moving. So it's going to move in the direction of right, but it doesn't know how fast or how far. Actually, no, it doesn't know how far. It doesn't know how fast to do it, so it times it by move speed, which is up here, which is set to 4. But you can change it over in here. And times time.deltaTime, it's pretty much at the time it's moving. And same thing for the left arrow, except there's no left in code. It's just negative of right. So we can't really do negative